Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Justin. Super excited to be here in this next video for y'all. In this video today, I want to be going over how we made, let me pull this up for y'all. I want to go over how we made a little bit more than $8,000 for this week so far. Today is October 15th. I believe it is a Tuesday. Let me move my head over here a little bit. So for this video, I want to go ahead and show you guys our account. We're at $76,000 net P&L. Pretty fire. You can see the statistics. You can see the roller coaster of going up and then pulling back and then going up and then getting cheeks clapped and then, building up some consistency, right? But nonetheless, we started out the week last week, slow week, still made $5,000. This week, starting off, pretty fast, pretty fresh. We're at $7,600 for the week. We've been trading mostly Bitcoin yesterday and today. So we've made 7.6. I'm just going to say it's $8,000. We've made $8,000 trading Bitcoin so far for the week. We're also going to be doing a live withdrawal as well in this video. So stay tuned for that towards the end. I'm going to go over the setup and then I'm going to go over the withdrawal with you guys. I want to do it live because I don't know if a lot of people do that. I mean, I don't really watch anybody else on YouTube. I ain't going to lie to y'all. But I don't know if people do live withdrawals. I feel like that'd be a cool concept to start. Like, every time we make a little bit of shmoney, we could do a little withdrawal together. And then it kind of feels like we're all getting paid, right? And who the fuck doesn't like to get paid? So BTC, very simply put, we started buying BTC yesterday in this range, right? After we had this sweep of liquidity down here, we had this previous low here. We had this big, fast selling climax type move. You can say this is a spring. You can say a number of things. You can look at this in a bigger spectrum and say that there's a pretty big accumulation schematic going on. For me right now, I don't really want to look at that. I just want to look at where we're currently at. We're trading around 58,000, 59,000. We made this move towards the lows. And then right after that move towards the lows, we started having a nice move to the upside. One thing that I realized about Bitcoin is when Bitcoin has a move like this, where it's very vertical, it's very erect, right? Jokes aside, when you have these very vertical moves on Bitcoin, usually a retracement or a pullback in the next range is going to be small. So once you have an established high that price is rejecting off of and a low, a lot of the times what I've noticed is price will either, in a bullish standpoint, if there is a previous low, usually have a little liquidity grab and then you start to run, right? Now, one thing that I noticed alongside that little liquidity grab was there was a fair value gap, imbalance, inefficiency, blah, blah, blah right here. So we started slapping on orders here. And if you guys know, I don't like to just put one big lot with all my risk. I like to scale into my position. So example, if I want to place 5 lots, instead of placing 5 lots into a trade, I might enter 10.5 lots. I don't know how to explain that to you guys. For me, I like scaling into my trades. Even if I'm going to drop 20 or 30 lots on a trade, maybe I'll have 10 positions, 2 lots each. Maybe I'll have 30 positions, 1 lot each. I don't know. But for me, mentally, I like scaling in more and adding on positions as I go compared to putting one big position and letting it go. Unless it's like a really good risk to reward trade for sure. But with Bitcoin, I like scaling in. So we started scaling in this range. And then all of a sudden we had this big move. We locked in some profits. And then as price started pulling back, we started to add on more positions, added on more positions. Price went up, did the same thing. We created a low, we broke the low, we added on some more positions, and then we had this nice rally today, and then we locked in whatever profits we made on this candle here today, right? Now, when it comes down to it, there's no right or wrong way of trading Bitcoin. I think the next move that will probably happen is if we do get some type of retracement, which I would love to see, right? Because then I could add bigger lots, right? If we can get some type of retracement, I really like this zone right here, this orange zone. I'm going to change it to a different color because for some reason this orange color is just kind of pissing me off. All right, so purple. I really like this purple zone. I like it for a number of reasons. I like it because there's a huge inefficient pricing there. And I would like to see price come back to fulfill those orders, and then I'd like to see price go higher, right? Let's just make it look prettier. So let me delete some of this stuff. It's not pretty. All right, so one thing I want y'all to keep in mind is there was this relative high up here. We have taken that high. First off, we made equal highs, and then we just spiked the high. And my thought process is this, is we technically spiked the high, grabbed liquidity, and then we broke structure to the downside. So the way I'm looking at this is, let's just say we had equal highs, price came back, we struck the highs, and then we broke the low, right? And right now, technically, after liquidity, this move here, you could say this is a liquidity grab, you could say this is a liquidity grab. Structure-wise, we're bearish, prices pulled back. I would like to see it make one leg down before we start this move up, right? So, you know, I would like to see it come down and then go up. And if it's able to do that, amazing, perfect setup, what have you, right? Now, I'd like to see the pullback just because of this liquidity grab for these previous highs. But, you know, nothing's ever certain in the market. You got to trade what you see, not what you think you see. So what I see right now is what I'm telling you guys. I would like it to come down here and give us an entry. If it does or doesn't, it doesn't really matter to me. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull back up my, let's just do this. I'm going to go ahead and pull back up into the broker. I'm going to do an internal transfer really quick. Trading platform to I'm going to do this for $8,000. Request transfer. Sweet. Oh, let me change my screen. Let's see. Google. Sweet. So, you guys can see I'm logged in right now to Nash Markets. Hey, Justin, no cap in the wrap. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to withdraw. We're going to do Bitcoin. We'll do $8,000. And then for the editor, if you could block some of this stuff off, that would be great, brother. Okay, let's see this. Upcoming bonus. Do we want the bonus? No, we'll go ahead and say we want the withdrawal. We'll go ahead and withdraw the 8 bandos. Let's get our 2FA confirmation email. Sweet. That is done and dusted. Super sick. And I'll add a cut-in when it hits my wallet. But for now, guys, I think that that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you got some type of value on pretty much what's kind of going on in Bitcoin. I mean, we just made an $8,000 withdrawal together, and I'll try to add a cut in or add on to this video whenever the withdrawal actually hits my my wallet, right? Just so you guys can see it. But I love Nash. Nash is dope. I recommend you guys all trade on Nash. You know, quick, easy withdrawals. Usually takes like a day at most. I'm enjoying using Trade Locker. I think it's sick. I like mobile. I like the desktop. I like how compatible it is. Like I can draw something on the computer and it comes over to my phone. Super sick. I like to see the trades on the charts. Like overall, I think it's pretty dope. But guys, I hope you got some value today in this Bitcoin setup. I hope you guys like the live withdrawal. If you guys like the live withdrawals, you know, subscribe, leave comments in the chat, or not the chat, in the comment box, whatever, comments below. Let us know what you'd like to see more of, and you know, I'm definitely down to do it. But above that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to keep making more and more videos for you guys. We're gonna start really dishing them out. But with that being said, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. See y'all at the top. Peace out. Make sure you join the Discord, or the Telegram, actually, not Discord. Make sure you join the Telegram. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at TradeStar Strategies. And new Signal group will be live real soon. Take it easy.
Yo, what's good, guys? It's currently 5:27 a.m. I'm laying in bed. It's my little dog. But it's 5:27 a.m. I just got this email from Nash. It says, "Hi Justin, your withdrawal of 8,000 has been approved." This is at 5:21 a.m. It's crazy. I woke up just now to see this live. But if I go into my Coinbase, let you look at her while I'm doing this. If I go to Coinbase right now, it says you received $8,006. And as you guys can see, here's $8,000 that I just received. Bitcoin received October 16th. 8,000. It's wild because I made this withdrawal yesterday, which was the 15th. And the video, the original one that I recorded for you guys, I mean, you're watching this at the end, but I promised I would do this for y'all, and somehow I caught it within 7 minutes of receiving it. But God bless y'all. I'm going to sleep. I'm going back to sleep with my little puppuccino. Peace out.